Ran into a little issue this morning, man. When we replaced that compressor the other day, aka yesterday, this pulley was about 3 inches bigger. So what we had to do, we had to replace the belt that we had, and we had to go up a size. So now we sitting at KO 61058, which is about 106 3/8 versus what was we at? Before we were at 105 inches. Now we're at 106 3/8. So that should pretty much take care of that. The system vacuumed down. I'm gonna add some Freon here and here and see what it do, man. I don't exactly know because of our blend door situation back there, and then I gotta run another errand. So I kind of wanna. I guess tonight I'll do it for y'all. But see, when I get home at nighttime, man, it'd be hard for y'all to see. So yeah, it'd be hard for y'all to see when I get on this thing at nighttime. I mean, to be honest, it's not the easiest for me to maneuver that shit neither. So if you look way back there, that's what we're trying to get to. But as long as we can swing that door to, you know what I'm saying, either be on the AC side or to be on the AC side and not the heater side, then we should have air conditioning. So vacuum down at hell. I'm probably end up taking, I don't know if I'm gonna take these parts back. So I mean, I pretty much got everything. I got the condenser, evaporator. Like, I wanted to have that shit on deck just in case I needed it. However, if I don't, then I don't need it, right? So, like I tell you a lot of time, man, I don't try to brag or anything on how much money I spend. If anything, I try to share, you know what I'm saying, how much I was able to save, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I got my AC blowing motherfucking snowballs, and all I did was change out the orifice tube, which I did. This is the old orifice tube. It's probably look like them little metal shavings and stuff on there, but we got it all vacuumed down. Good to go. So gotta add the Freon. I might wait till the night because I did have to run and go get the stuff this morning. Basically just wire in our plug here and then fill up Freon, bro. It should be Gucci bandana. And one step closer. One step closer. I know for Texas inspection, I only gotta have two mirrors. So this one will get attached. It ain't nothing but like putting a screw on the other, a bolt on the other side. And then I'm gonna have my rear view mirror up there. See how the back driver's side mirror. I think I got a driver's side mirror. I'm not exactly sure though. I'm pretty sure I got one somewhere, but it's probably not blue. Yeah, that's where we at with this one. These wires get tucked, probably tucked and put away. Y'all told me don't cut them, so I didn't cut them. So I'm gonna just wrap them up and probably stick them down off in there somewhere. That way tonight, man, I can pretty much come home, finish putting them seats in, get the carpet done, and see what we're gonna do about this music situation. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Be back. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Alex Ride 254, man. I'm headed to the I'm trying to like hold it like at not an awkward angle. So I'm headed to the damn DMV to try to find out what will be the requirements to get the tags for the box Chevy with all this COVID and stuff going on. I know that they're not tripping off expired registration, but the box don't have no registration at all. So we're gonna need to get a 30-day tag. But with all this stuff still going on, we might be good for like 2 or 3 months. You know what I mean? So it'll give us some time to work out the bugs but still be legal and everything like that. So I'm gonna head up here, ask some questions, and go from there. So apparently, according to this right here, let me just skims over this. Texans get a break from certain vehicle title and registration requirements due to the waiver announced March 16th. That pedal commander be moving. If you want to get your pedal commander, make sure you check for the link down in the description box below. All right, now back to our regular scheduled programming. The DMV will provide a notification when normal services resume, allowing the public 60 days from then to conduct any overdue title and registration transactions. So basically, as of today, which is August, I think August 9th, August 10th, as of today, nothing has been announced. So it's still like hide your kids, hide your wife. You don't need a tag unless you're going out of state. So if I go ahead and I get the tags, for the Chevy, then I'm good until they say, well, actually I'm good until 2 months after they say, I mean, so for example, if they don't say we alright till like September, October. So from October 1st, and I'm just using this as for example, it's not an actual date or anything like that. Hold on. Alright, so the I'm trying to fuck AC on, but how did the bitch? So say October 1st is the date that they say, all right, you know what I'm saying? It's not waived no more, you know what I'm saying? Game on. From October 1st, you have 60 days, which will put you at like all of October, all of November. So you would basically be good until like December. You know what I'm saying? The lady at the office, she was like, yo, you really don't gotta get a tag. But I feel safer with a tag, to be honest. I'm already African-American male riding around in a box Chevy. I do not need any other reason for the police to pull me over. Like, I swear to God. I don't have 2 license plates. So, yeah, I don't even have 2 license plates. So technically, riding without a front license plate is against the law in Texas. So, boom, bitches. 84.7. We already got our temp tag, nigga. We in the game. It doesn't go into effect until that Monday before. The Monday before my birthday. But we ready. We got it. We ready. We ready. We ready. You know what I'm saying? We ready. That way I don't even like rush into it. So this week I can focus on tightening everything up, you know, having everything on the up and up. And then Monday morning at fucking whatever time, nigga, we have a green fucking light. We are in the clear. Houston, we are clear for takeoff, nigga. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Go.